Good evening, guys. This is Hendrik. So this is my crack at Solana. So we'll see if this thing performs and pulls out or not. But let's have a look at what I've done. So I'd like to use Fibonacci at a certain identified range. I'd like to play around at the 4 hours. I don't really like to play less than an hour, so sometimes I'll zoom in and do about an hour candle. But this is the time frames that I like to be playing with. All right. So I've got volumes. In November on the 23%. I've got at the low here roughly about December, January. And then I've got some volume here on the 50% Fibonacci levels as well. So then I also like just to draw my own horizontal line. This will help me to get additional levels and additional stop losses. So what's busy happening is we are just started our 4 hourly candle run about this level here. So what I'm looking at is I need to close that tiny little green candle, I need to close above 27.22. So once I've known that thing is closed above that levels, I will put in a DXS. I will put in entry price of 27.22. I'll use about $90 of my trading capital of 3.5% leverage. And then I will use $26 as a stop loss. And my profit will be $32. So what we look at here as well, I've got a profit risk reward ratio of 4, which is fantastic. My minimum is always 3. So this is the first setup that I'll do. What I'll also do is I'll scale out, provided we open up at this level. So it means that 50% of my profit I'll sell at this level, and the other 50% I will move my stop losses up and take another level at about, or another profit at about $38. So in the interim, that's my first setup. My second setup I've already placed. So what does this look like? Let's just close that. So what does this look like? This means that if we do not close above this particular level, so then my next point of entry will be around about 25.95, around about $26. So then I've got a long in this area here. I've got a potential profit at $32, and I've got a stop loss just below this candle. So that's exactly what I've done on this setup. So whichever way, I would always like to take 2 positions on one particular instrument, just in case my first setup fails. There's always something else. So that's my take at Solana. So please keep following, and let's see how this plays out. Thank you.